Today, I'm taking a quick look at the Zoeurva cooling ace, and the big question is simple. Is this actually the cooling solution it claims to be, or just another summer gadget that sounds better than it performs? So, I've spent some time testing it in a pretty warm room, and first impressions are interesting. The device is compact and super lightweight, which makes it easy to move around or even place on a desk. Setup is basically plug and play, so no complaints there. Now, about the cooling. It doesn't behave like an air conditioner, so don't expect it to drop your room temperature. Instead, it works more like a personal evaporative cooler, pushing out a focused stream of cooler, moistened air. If you're sitting right in front of it, you'll definitely feel some relief, especially in dry heat. But here's the catch. The effect is pretty localized. Once you step away, the cooling basically disappears. So it's best for personal use, not whole room cooling. Noise-wise, it's fairly quiet on low settings, but you'll hear it on higher speeds. So overall, the Zoeurva cooling ace is decent for personal cooling, but it's not a miracle fix for a hot room.